Dear customers, dear employees, unfortunately Holz-Handwerk 2020 was postponed due to the coronavirus. Here at Leitz, our suitcases were already packed with the latest technologies, with our latest innovations and with some promotions. The focus in Nuremberg is clearly on small and medium-sized companies like interior fitters, like shop fitters, but we had also solutions with us for the industrial customers. Let me introduce you to some of these innovations and new products, which are not only suitable for the small and medium-sized companies, but also for window producers or solid wood-based businesses. First of all, I want to start with sawing. Our new Whisper Cut Diamond saw. This is a saw, especially once we are talking about sustainability, because we have high performance together with the whisper tone. We are talking about an ultra-quiet saw, very efficient due to the cutting width of 3.2 millimeter. That means cutting width standard, and there is no changeover of the scoring saw or even the split wedge required. Additionally, no matter which board material we have very excellent cutting quality. Another solution, we are talking about our handheld circular saw case. Here we are talking about 4 different or sometimes 5 different saws for all materials, the right solutions in order to have the best cutting quality made by Leitz. It goes without saying, with this case, everything well in place, whether for the workshop or for the production side. But not only panel dividing is done by sawing, it is also done with CNC. And here our CNC machine tuning is a very important aspect. Because very often CNC machines have a very high feed speed, but the tooling cannot go these feed speeds. Therefore, we have a plug-and-play solution, which we have here with a thermogrip chuck, a high-end PCD router, and all the data together. By this, we can use the high feed speed of the machines without any limitation. And what is also very important, we have a perfect run out, which gives you an excellent cutting quality, but which also secures the lifetime of your spindle. Once we are talking about routers, we need to talk also about our Diamaster Plus router cutter. We are talking here again about very high feed speeds, that means very high productivity, but also sustainability is a very important aspect due to the fact that we have a special gullet geometry and which gives us then a very precise chip guidance, which helps the dust extraction to be very accurate. And additionally, we have also a very big resharpening zone. By this, multiple resharpenings are possible. And let me come to this little piece here, our new solid tungsten carbide hinge boring bit Z3 V3. A solution not only for the small shop, but also for the big industrial application. Once we are talking about the boring, especially the quality of the boring in the edge of the board, you see no chips, no breakouts, and even if the board is already edge band, it is cutting through the board itself, but also perfectly through the edge bending material. And it goes without saying, for sustainability, a high resharpening zone. It goes without saying that for the Fensterbau Frontale and the Holz-Handwerk in Nuremberg, we also had something in our suitcases for our window producing customers. Our new Profile Cut Q Premium Plus Resharpenable. Once we are talking about the Profile Cut family, first of all, the feed speed is very important, but also the cutting speed. We are talking about a cutting speed of 120 meters per second. This gives you extremely high productivity. And once we are talking about efficiency, this goes without saying, it's also available. Sustainability, also a very important aspect due to the fact that now Profile Cut Q is also resharpenable. And with resharpening, multiple resharpening is possible. And the important aspect is that the diameter of the tool stays constant and also the geometry of the tool stays constant. That means no new data has to be re-entered into the machine, because everything stays constant. Additionally, the tooling is also equipped with RFID chip and with QR code, so all relevant data is directly available with the operator of the machine and can be directly implemented into the machine. Yeah, once we talk about solid wood processing, we need to talk about the Variplan Plus Integral. This is standing for flexibility. Flexibility, it is a perfect solution for especially inhomogeneous wood, because it's an ideal combination of pre-cutting and finish cutting knives. It goes without saying, in order to realize a high quality, all these knives are well balanced and they are hand selected to make absolutely sure that the cutting quality is absolutely fantastic. And especially what is important, sustainability. It goes without saying, is multiple resharpening is possible with this Variplan Plus Integral. I hope I could give you some ideas, some impressions of our newest developments, of our latest ideas, and also on our promotions. It goes without saying that these promotions and all these new toolings are available with our sales and service people who will be with you all the time. At Leitz, we are looking forward to Holz-Handwerk in Nuremberg, and you can meet us at our booth in hall number 10 between the 16th until the 19th of June. For the time being, our Leitz team will be at your entire disposal. Already today, I'm looking forward to meet you all in Nuremberg, and especially perhaps to drink a good glass of beer together with you, with alcohol or without alcohol. Best regards from Oberkochen, and all the best to you. Take care and stay healthy until we meet each other in Nuremberg.